Hello, today I'm going to show you this new spy gear that I found in Toys R Us and this sledge fire gun. Ta-da! Okay, let's check the sledge fire out first. The sledge fire is a Nerf gun made by Nerf Zombie Strike. It's a shotgun which shoots 3 bullets at a time. This is how you reload. You can see a hole over there. Hello. And you can put the bullets inside. But first the bullets need to be in this cap, so it must look like this. Then reload. Okay, now I'm ready to shoot. Let's try to shoot on that table. Okay, now let's see how this shoots. Take this! Wow, that was actually pretty far. Okay, now it's reload. The capsule comes out, but there's no more bullets because it has been fired. But yeah, pretty much like that. Here. Okay, next up is this spy gear. Take a close look. It's one of the best stuff I have. Okay. Sorry for the noise in the background. Okay, now this is the spy glasses. There are 2 components. I wonder where these go. Ah! This go there. This go there. Is this correct? And cool. Spyglass. Hello. This is a magnifier. Okay, now why is it tangled up? Okay, now switches. Light. Let there be light. Cool. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can see you guys. Even though when it's dark, I still can see you. Wait, let me try to off the light. Now it is nighttime now. I can see you. Okay, now time to make it day again. Haha! So now we're gonna end this by doing both of these. Goodbye! Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye!